In this video, I'll show you how to import reviews from Amazon to Shopify store easily. We'll get the right plan for free, install the extension, scan reviews on Amazon, and import them straight into your product page. So let's begin. Step 1. Install Ali Reviews and unlock Super Plan. Open the Shopify App Store, search Ali Reviews, click Add App, and install it. Open the app in your Shopify admin. To enable Amazon importing, switch to the Super Plan. If you're new, tap Start Free Trial so the Amazon import feature unlocks immediately. Step 2. Install the Ali Reviews Chrome extension. In the Ali Reviews dashboard, find the Chrome extension link and install it from the Chrome Web Store. Pin the extension so it's easy to access. Make sure you're logged in to both Shopify and Ali Reviews in the same browser. Step 3. Open the Amazon product page. Go to Amazon.com and open the exact product you want reviews from. Keep the full product page visible. On the right side, you'll see the Ali Reviews import panel from the extension. Step 4. Click Import Reviews on the right panel. Click Import Reviews. If prompted, log into your Ali Reviews account. Choose your Shopify store if you manage multiple stores. Next, select the target Shopify product you want these reviews to attach to. This maps the incoming reviews to the correct product. Step 5. Set filters and scan reviews. Choose your preferences. Minimum star rating, with photos only if you want, language filters, and maximum number of reviews to import. Click Scan Reviews. The extension will crawl the Amazon reviews and show a progress bar. If it asks you to log in again, complete the login and resume. Step 6. Import Reviews. When scanning completes, review the totals, then click Import Reviews. The extension sends the selected reviews to your Ali Reviews app, and from there, into your Shopify product. Wait for the success message. Step 7. Customize how reviews look. Back in Ali Reviews, display settings, pick your layout, grid, list, or carousel. Match colors, fonts, and star styles to your theme. Enable review widgets on product pages and optional badges on collection pages. Step 8. Verify on your storefront. Open your Shopify storefront. Go to the product page and scroll to the reviews section. Confirm star ratings, photos, and timestamps display correctly on desktop and mobile. If things feel crowded, reduce the count or switch layouts. That's it. You've imported Amazon reviews into Shopify using Ali Reviews Chrome extension. Super Plan enabled, scanned, and imported in just a few minutes. Like and subscribe for more Shopify growth tutorials.